as a whole, the Pukeko was climbing the heavens to find its wings, and in a sense, this design. Hello? What happened to our music? This design can represent that grind, or that journey that the Pukeko went through. So the idea that I had is to cut a center line down the middle of the ridge, and then we ridge everything. So we have like a cut down the middle, and we ridge everything into the middle. It'll be easier to show once I've done it. Hello.